Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suspicious Challenger here. Today I brought 3 amazing cups. Let's check out why these cups are amazing. I've prepared some hot water and cold water. You might have noticed, and yes, these cups respond to temperature. So let's take a look one by one. If I pour hot water, we can see nothing changed. Empty the water in the cup. Now if I pour cold water here, the cup changes color. We can see that only the part containing cold water has changed color. It's because the cup responds to cold temperature. So let's look at the other cups. Pour some cold water. The color also changes. It seems like the cup is filled with colored drink, isn't it? And also, this cup changes the color. Beautiful. Interesting. So thanks for watching my video. See you.